Hey everybody, welcome back to episode number 2 of Fresh Part Friday. I am AJ with Muscle Car Central, and today we are going to be talking about something that most 70 to 81 Camaro, maybe Firebird people have a problem with, and that is glove box liners. You got your cardboard glove box liners. These things, they get soggy, moisture, they rip, they just crumble over time. These things, not a bad thing to have, but they could be better. Which is why with this episode, we've got ABS plastic molded glove box liners. These are for with AC and non-AC cars for the 70 to 81, and these things are just awesome. For further interest, if anybody wants to see, they've got a really nice textured inside on the both of them. They line up perfectly. They're easy to install. I mean, these things are just a dream come true for an easy install. No more having to worry about staples. No more having to worry about rips, tears. Just nasty, stinky cardboard. These things are sick, and like I said, they're easy to install. You will want to use the existing factory hardware with these guys, because I don't think we can find them. I don't know, but you know, it's probably best that you use your existing hardware. Don't cuss the cardboard, love the plastic, something like that. But wait a minute, you've heard us say it. Don't cuss the cardboard, praise the plastic. These guys here, these are definitely worth it and make a really great product to put in your vehicle. So this one here is the non-AC, and then this guy here is with factory AC. So this is really cool. That's why this one's kind of just plain Jane, a little bit boxier. Don't cuss the cardboard, praise the plastic. Yeah, you've heard us say it. Don't cuss the cardboard, praise the plastic. We appreciate y'all's time. We're going to hopefully be able to get into some more cool stuff on Fresh Part Friday. Check us out. If you have any kind of questions, let us know in the comments. What do you think? You know, we love good feedback. I'll see you on the next one, Fresh Part Friday. AJ, we'll see you later.